Progress lies not in enhancing what is, but in advancing towards what will be. Head Start program leaders face an ever-changing world. It is no longer enough to simply make small improvements on your existing program with every changing year. It is critical to establish a true plan of action for progress. Agencies know Gravely means progress. Across the nation, programs trust the Gravely Group to deliver training that will result in real change. Join us at the Region 4 pre-conference seminar for our workshop, Breathing Life into a Nonprofit Board. We will cover the importance of having an active board and how critical a board and policy council can be to your program's success and progress. Registration is ending soon, so secure your spot today. This level of training is perfect for governing board members, policy council members, Head Start program directors, and supporting staff. You can expect to gain valuable knowledge about the new Head Start program governance standards and strategies to engage your board and policy council. Build a program that has a positive impact on the lives of today's youth. Head over to www.thegravely.group.com/conference registration and start your journey today.